Have you ever seen someone fail so badly at the one thing they bragged about? I was so proud to tell everyone my boyfriend was a lifeguard. He worked at the busiest beach in our city for 5 years, sharing amazing stories about saving people. He even showed my parents videos of his swimming competitions and rescue training. My little sister Hazel worshipped him, especially after he told her about saving twin toddlers from a rip current. When she begged us to take her on a boat trip for her 16th birthday, he offered to rent one. Don't worry about safety, he told my mom. I'm trained for any situation. The morning started perfectly, but around 2 p.m., the waters got choppy. I noticed my boyfriend looked nervous, but I didn't think much of it. Hazel was photographing dolphins when the boat hit a rough wave. She slipped and hit the water with a loud splash. I turned to my boyfriend, expecting him to jump into action like all his stories. Instead, he grabbed my shoulders and pulled me in front of him, using me as a shield. When I tried to run to Hazel, he pushed me back. I'll never forget Hazel's terrified screams as the waves tossed her around. Through my tears, I saw another boat racing toward us. 3 teenage boys immediately dove in and fought through the rough waters to reach her. Hazel spent her 16th birthday in a hospital blanket, traumatized but alive, thanks to strangers, not the hero who promised to protect us.